So now let's see how we can apply the cobblestone effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and apply the cobblestone effect, first of all, you need to go ahead and select out an image right here, and then you should go around under effects. So once you go ahead and do that, what you need to do is go around onto texture right here just like this, and then you can go ahead and choose cobblestone right here just like this. So once you do that, you can see that the cobblestone effect has been added in. You can go ahead and now change around the roughness. You can go ahead and change around the size. You can go ahead and change around the grout width, the light direction, and so forth, and even work around with the warp, as you can see right here just like this. So this is the before and after right here just like this, as you can see. And that is simply how you can go ahead and work around with the cobblestone effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.